If you're trying to change the email on your Cursor AI account, here's the important thing to know right away. Cursor accounts are tied to a single email address, and that email cannot be changed on an existing account. So if you've been searching for a change email option inside Cursor, you may not find one, because Cursor does not currently allow email edits on the same account. In this video, I'll show you the safest and simplest way to handle it, so you can keep using Cursor without getting stuck. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's walk through it step by step. First, understand that because the email can't be changed, the solution is to create a new Cursor account using the email address you actually want to use going forward. That means if you accidentally signed up with the wrong email, or if you want to switch to a different inbox for work, personal use, or organization purposes, the best move is to start fresh with the correct address. To do that, open Cursor and go to the sign up or login screen. If you're already signed in, you may want to sign out first so you can begin the process with the new email. Then, select the option to create a new account and enter the email address you want associated with Cursor from now on. Follow the on-screen steps to verify that email and complete the setup. Once the new account is created, you can begin using Cursor with the correct email address immediately. If you had any preferences, settings, or workflows on the old account, you may need to set those up again on the new one, since it is a separate account. That's why it's a good idea to double-check the email before finishing sign-up, especially if you're creating the account for a team or a long-term project. Also, if your old account is no longer needed, you should review any connected services or saved access linked to it, just to keep everything organized. The main takeaway is simple. Cursor does not let you directly change the email on an existing account, so the correct solution is to create a new account with the email you want to use. That may not be the answer you were hoping for, but it is the cleanest and most reliable method available right now. If this video saved you time, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials on AI tools, software settings, and account fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.